At BraunAbility, trust isn't just earned, it's engineered into every vehicle we build. Our customer is at the center of everything we design and engineer. Because when your vehicle is your lifeline, every detail matters. BraunAbility reimagines the entire vehicle to guarantee an exceptional ownership experience. Inside our advanced manufacturing facilities, innovation drives every step, combining cutting-edge automation with the craftsmanship of experienced technicians. This isn't a ramp bolted onto a vehicle. It's a complete structural redesign. We rebuild the vehicle from the inside out to ensure it meets our uncompromising standards. This isn't a typical conversion vehicle. BraunAbility manufactures our mobility solutions to the same standards as the original manufacturer. No cutting corners, no compromising, no exceptions. From automated ramp deployment to maximize cabin maneuverability, each decision is intentional. Every feature empowers independence without sacrificing style. In the end, BraunAbility delivers a vehicle that looks as good as it performs, matching the quality and refinement of the world's leading automotive brands. And most importantly, every BraunAbility vehicle undergoes extensive testing and validation to meet or exceed the highest safety and mobility standards. The final result, an accessible vehicle of superior engineering. A vehicle that delivers independence without compromising reliability. A vehicle that is built to trust. You deserve a brand you can trust. You deserve BraunAbility.